Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to line up vents on a Weber grill. These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to line up vents on a Weber grill is grillchar.com. Specifically the page titled Charcoal Grill Vent Help Grill. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site software-remote.com, especially the page Line Up Vents on a Weber Grill. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see grillchar.info. The web page How to use charcoal grill air vents, grill. Here's the link.